Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we got a new slime kit, which is the tie-dye.
I'm so excited for this. There's clear slime and there's also some ingredients, and you can create your own color.
Yeah, so I think what you're meant to do is get two of the little dyes or something, like maybe the food colouring, to add to your slime, and then you're meant to make like a colour, and it will be like this nice swirl of rainbow and colours. It will be a really nice, pretty slime. And so I'm really excited because we've never really done something like this with like multiple colours in the slime, so we're really excited for this.
Yes, and I think there's only 5, and you get to choose whatever colour you want, and we're going to be only doing 1 because if we do 2, then there'll be 1 more left.
Yeah.
So we want to save some so then we can have some more fun and you guys can see more of these videos.
Yeah, so let's open this, okay? So, guys, look at this. Okay,
I can't wait.
Whoa, okay. Oh my god. So I think we have a
Isha. Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah,
I'm
sorry.
my sissy.
Okay, so we have, here's the things. This looks so cool. I think we have a container. That feels good. Okay, there's slime in here. Okay, that's good.
And what's under here?
Oh, okay. Wait. You put that back in. Let's close the box and just put it on the ground for now so we can open these ingredients. Okay. Let me get the scissors.
And
oh yeah, we don't need the scissors. Okay.
And guys, we got a bowl over there.
Maybe
can you go faster?
Yeah, so we can just put the rubbish.
Wait, this is our rubbish bowl, and Peppa Pig is eating cake and other things, and she wants to wait for the rubbish to come. Yeah. Look at these slimes.
Whoa, okay, I'm not sure what this is. Clear transparent slime. Is this our test? Is this what, wait, what? We have multiple slimes. Oh, we only have 3 slimes, so we actually have 4 slimes. Okay, wait, no. Okay, so that's 4, and then that's 5. Okay, that's why they said 5. Okay, I get it now. Okay, and then we have our glitters.
Should I open this and put it in my slime?
And then we also have our scents and colours. So they also have scents, these colours. Not yet, okay?
That's my slime.
Okay.
This has been in my bowl since
we have vanilla. Ooh, that smells amazing. Amazing. And then we have strawberry.
This smells so good.
Okay, this is blue and it's pineapple, the scent. So
I love this one.
This slime is gonna be so cool because we've never really made.
And guys, can I just say all of the flavors? So strawberry, pineapple, and vanilla.
Okay. So
the symbol for vanilla is a yellow flower.
And before we get on making our slimes, let's see what this is.
Okay. Can I?
We use scissors.
Yeah. I'm using the pink one for the strawberry.
Because there's this tape that stopped me from opening it. Okay.
So I think vanilla, the vanilla and this one matches, and then this one and this one and this one.
I think I don't know what these are. Well, they're stickers, but like, what do we do with them? Maybe we decorate like the packaging or something. I'm not sure, but these are very cool. So we're going to put them to the side for now.
Are you supposed to decorate them?
Maybe we're meant to decorate the box. Oh, Alicia. Yeah, okay. We're meant to decorate the box properly. Okay.
Look at it's still plain. It has nothing on it.
Yeah, it's just plain.
So I think we're supposed to be decorating with this. Maybe we'll do that at the end of the video.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this slime, and so let's start making our slimes. So guys, we've got our slimes ready, but before we start, make sure to subscribe and also hit that like button and also turn on those notification bells so you're always notified when we post. So yeah,
Let's get making our slime. Okay.
I'm so excited for this. Okay, I thought it had a scent. This slime is such good texture. I thought it would be melted, but
my hand right
this is such good texture. I'm very surprised about the texture, and this slime is crystal clear.
I can't get
This
it.
is amazing. So we're only doing the one.
So then we have about 3 more left.
Yeah. Hopefully 5 slimes. It's very noisy.
And the next video we're going to be doing 2, and then in the last video we're going to be doing 1. And we're going to do both.
Right,
Can't
okay.
get the sauce paper stone out.
Wow, this is so cool. This slime has a good texture. It's not sticky at all. Right, Isha?
Yes. It's the most pre-made slime in the world. Okay, so guys, I'm so excited for this one, and I'm going to be doing the one that smells the goodest.
Yeah, I think you're meant to mix colours. I think I want to do yellow
I think I want to do yellow, blue and pink.
I'm doing yellow and pink. Okay, so let's get one colour. Okay. This is a before. And then let's, okay, now we're going to do it.
Would you mind helping me here then?
Oh, there we go. Okay, I
Would
open
you
mine.
mind helping?
Okay, Isha, no, it's fine. You can just... This one's a bit hard. Oh my gosh, this is a bit hard.
I'll do it.
Okay, that one's a bit hard. Go, Isha. Did you do it?
It's getting looser.
Okay, that's good. Maybe let me try.
I don't know which way it's gonna twist.
I think it's this way. Oh, it's a bit jammed. Okay. Oh, there we go. I got it. That was a struggle.
Go away.
Thank you.
Go away.
Oh no, it's on me.
It's fine.
Oh, okay. Anyways,
Guys, it can be organized like this.
let's move on. So I'm gonna add my yellow.
Ah! Why does this fall out?
Okay, really, I'm so excited for this.
Adding about 2 drops might be enough.
Whoa, guys, it's turned to yellow. Oh no, so this. And the scent, bomb. That is so good.
Mine's turned blue. I added accidentally 2 drops.
Okay, so I think we're going to mix this in solidly, and then we're going to add this colour, and that's going to be like a tie-dye swirl. Okay, I'm so excited, Isha. So this is our yellow slime.
Oh
It's
no! Look at my hand. And guys, I want to
so
show you. Look at this pretty, perfect slime.
It's so amazing.
It's a gorgeous.
And we can also add glitters into our slime, Isha. That's going to be amazing.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Hopefully mine doesn't turn blue. No, wait, brown.
Isha.
What?
Okay, I did 2 drops of purple and pink. Ready? Guys, look at that gorgeous
You have to see this. Wait.
Gosh, Isha, that is gorgeous.
I need to show it to you.
These are both super pretty.
Yeah. Excuse me, did you just want to join my... I just
Guys, guys, this slime.
Right, this is the pink. This is the pink.
This is amazing. We just stretch it.
Mine is so beautiful.
Oh, okay.
Now time to add some glitter.
Yes, I think we should add some glitters into our slime, but I'm gonna add a bit more pink to make the tighter swirl again. To make it look good. Okay, I'm going to put this on here. Look how gorgeous that looks. Okay, now I think I want to add pink glitter to the slime.
Ah, no.
Oh no, what happened? Oh, Isha.
It's fine.
Okay, I'm going to put it back in the bowl.
Everywhere.
Oh no. Let's smell it. That smells good. I love that smell. Adding pink glitters.
Will help? I have flipped it down so much.
Isha, son, just put it on here.
It's fine. We can put it inside of a big laptop. Oh my gosh, my slime is shimmering.
My slime's the best.
My senses are
Can I smell
tingling.
that? Oh my god. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm gonna add a bit more of that vanilla.
It smells like sunscreen.
Bit more of that vanilla scent.
I need to add a bit more of blue and pink.
Can I smell pineapple? It smells pretty good. It's just not as strong as vanilla. A bit more. I don't want it to go. Guys, I'm off with this slime. Okay.
These slimes don't really stretch that much.
It's because it just has to sit for a bit since it's been in the plastic bag.
This is not my slime.
I just love my slime. This is so gorgeous. Yellow makes me happy. So I'm really glad I picked yellow and pink.
My name's Isha, and Isha means blue and pink are beautiful.
What? No, it doesn't.
Excuse me, I do not say my name.
Okay, anyways. Okay, I'm in love with this slime. This is such a good texture, but the glitter sticks onto me a lot. Maybe I added a bit too much. Just a tiny bit too much glitter.
I added a lot.
But let's come up with some names for our slimes, maybe. I think I'm gonna name
It's raining sprinkles. It's raining sprinkles.
I don't understand what this tool is meant to make it.
My slime is the.
It only came with one tool, so we used one from the Fino Clay Magic Slime Kit video. So make sure to go check that video out. If you haven't seen it, just type out Barbosa Girls and then go into our YouTube channel. It'll come up with a circle with a video, and then
you'll see all of our videos, and you can just scroll all the way down, and you can find it, and you see it's episode 1.
Yeah, because that's when we did the unboxing. And we also have when we made the slime. So yeah, it's very amazing. And right here, you might not see it, but we over on this side, we have our new slime storage. And it's very useful.
And I could see just a tiny bit.
Let's do some ASMR with Rhea. I need more vanilla. Why is it?
Why are you saying ASMR for you?
There's so much of this dye. Like, have you ever had that feeling when you're making something that has dye and that all glitters, and then it looks like there's such a little thing in there, but then you add it and then you think that you're adding a lot, but you're not. It's just then you think, and then it's like, oh wow, there's so much more left. So yeah, I'm gonna call mine honey pink. I guess that's a good name.
Mine is called the Skylight Night.
Okay.
Mine is called the Galaxy Universe.
Is that a good time to end?
No, not yet.
Okay.
I will say when it's time to end.
Let's add this into our bag.
It's raining sprinkles. It's raining glitters. It's raining glitters.
Look how pretty that looks in the
It's
bag.
raining glitters.
Gotta push it all the way down to the bottom.
Hopefully you guys buy this one. It's so
And if you want to
good.
get a slime, the link will be down in the description.
Yeah.
Okay, so is that a good time to end?
Not yet. I want to show you something. So, I want to
Whoa.
say something. My slime is called Skylight Nights.
So if you like my slide better, comment down below pink honey.
And if you like my slime
might
better,
have
comment down below Skylight Night.
I kind of just changed my name because I forgot, but like I like pink honey better.
If you're typing, then you can just pause the video and start typing the letters.
Okay, is that a good time?
Not yet.
Oh my god, these are... Okay.
It's going to be a 52-hour video.
Okay.
So, I want to show you something.
Wait, can I fill... Let's fill each other's slimes. Don't take mine. This is very nice crunchy slime. It doesn't have much of the scent as mine. Mine's vanilla scent. Because usually I add a lot of vanilla.
I'm just gonna take a bit.
Smells good. Ew, yours doesn't really have a scent.
Both of them smells like
One thing, if you're
both of
watching
them
this video...
smells like sunscreen.
No, they don't. This doesn't smell like sunscreen. Sunscreen's way stronger. If you're watching the video that the people that created this video, no, not the video, the slime, maybe you should work on adding more scent to the scent.
The person who made this, if you're watching this, then if you make one more, can you just add some more of these? Because we love them. I'm not saying we don't like them, but we love them.
Yeah, and we would love more scent, so
Yes.
is that a good time to end?
Yes, and I'm going to be stretching my thumb on this
So that's going to end today's video. Hope you liked it. And if you did, make sure to smash that up button and also subscribe.
Okay.
And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.